why the celebrities are getting such a diseases. We all know that Yuvraj Singh got cancer, Manisha Koirala got cancer. Why celebrities, they have enough money, they have a lot of things can do, they have 100% worthful nutrition, they go to the high quality nutrition, high quality supplements, high quality exercises, they have their own fitness gurus, they have their own doctors. Still, why the celebrities are having the diseases? If you understand that, it's not about the money, it's not about the quantity of nutrition, it's not about the food what you intake, it's about the consciousness. If a person elevate his consciousness, he can overcome any disease, any disorder. If he become low conscious means he might attract more and more problems. Okay, the Shilpa Shetty got the autoimmune disorder. Name is antiphospholipid syndrome. Antiphospholipid syndrome, it's an autoimmune disorder. Most of the autoimmune disorders is like the immune system works and like a anti-military. So I have the very good military system in my body. You have very good military system in your body. That's called immune system. When the pathogen attacks into the body, these military need to attack and protect ourselves. Whereas in autoimmune disorder, it's completely changes. Okay, our military become attackers, like we are seeing the Afghanistan like that. Their own military attack, they become victims, and the immune system start attacking the muscular system, skeleton system, and other the lungs, heart, brain, nervous system, everything it works. So they become weak and weak. Why it triggers like that? Because of low consciousness. Why low conscious means? Because of low emotions, low emotional vibes, because of negative emotions. They attached with the negative emotions. The more a person uh, attached to the negative emotions, attached to the intensity of negative emotions, the more he will suffer. He can't enjoy his life. Okay, he can't enjoy his life fullest. So that needs to practice silence inside, practice inner silence. If you practice inner silence, do whatever you do, whatever thing you try, flower remedies, you try yoga, you try switch words, you try any other thing. But the ultimate is you need to practice inner silence, inner peace. If you are not having inner peace means you are going to attract more and more problems.